90% of traders don't track or review their trades, but it is the one habit separating the pro traders and gamblers. I've placed over 1,000 live trades since 2018 with a 90% win rates. Today, I'll share my statements and unfiltered P&L from last month. Traders, I have my April 2026 broker statements up here. This is the realized summary from April 1st to April 30th. Let's look at our futures, okay? My futures made me 18.6K. Not bad. Let's look at where are our losers. I don't really go over our winners. Let's look at where we lost money at. $800 in negative right here. Okay, this is not a loser because this was a spread. Actually, I can see I made money. Okay, let's look at the next one. 9,000. I don't think I lost 9,000 on any CL trades. There's another 7,000 here too. Okay, just by looking at these strikes, I can tell this is probably one of my broken wing butterflies, and I believe I made money on them. We'll check our trading log after. Natural gas, negative 1,000. Okay, all right, this looks like a loser to me. So far from what I can see, just glancing this, I have one loser, which is a natural gas. Oh, actually up here I have a winner too. In the equity side, I have VXX. This is about $3,000. So actually, I realized about 21,600. So these are the equity options. Actually, we should not be looking at this because most of these are poor man cover calls. And I track the P&L for poor man cover calls in another sheet because it may show a lot of losses here, but that's because the stock is actually going up and I'm rolling my cover calls every week. So when you see a negative number, it means I'm actually making money. I'm realizing a loss on the cover call, but my underlying synthetic or the deep in the money calls, those are actually making money because they are at 90 to 100 delta. All right, let's look at our trading log. Let's filter out and look at only our April realized trades. So as I thought, natural gas was our loser. Let me try to recall what happened and let's do some review. I opened this in March, closed it on the last day, trading day, realized almost a full loss, but not full loss. Oh, I remember. I was trying to go long on natural gas. It was a 50-50 trade. I risked about $1,000 something to earn $935. The trade didn't really work. It didn't go anywhere. And I remember on the last day of expiry, actually, it was between my strikes, so I just closed it out. And hence I didn't get a max loss, but it was pretty close. This includes commissions, and commissions are pretty expensive on futures. Yeah, I lost $1,000 on this. Small loss, that's nothing. It was risk defined. And oh, right here. If we look at this trade, this is the VXX short volatility trade. So I opened this in March. And in March, the market crashed really bad. And I wanted to short the volatility. So I opened up a bear spread on it. And it was a 45-day trade. I was holding it till the end. So 3 days to expiry, I closed it. And let's see how much we gained. We realized 2.7K on it. So not too shabby for 42 days. These are very high win rate trades because every time the market crash, the volatility increases, and volatility always has a mean reversion tendency. And there's no other loser. Let's see. CL, I saw some negative numbers on the P&L statement, but I don't see any losers here. So yes, as I thought, those were broken wing butterflies. Those were the legs, the long legs. So it shows a negative number, but it's actually not a loss. It was actually a winner. These ones are small winners. I won about $600 each on them. All right, that's it. So one winner out of about 10 trades, which is normal. Usually I get 1 or 2 losers a month, and this time it was fairly small. It was only $1,000, so I'm very happy with that. It's very important to keep your losers small. It's okay to lose, but keep them small and under control. Just don't blow up. Go for a lot of singles. You can see my P&L, a lot of 1,000, 900, 900, 600, 600. Most of them are in the 1,000 range. And some of them are 3,000. Those are the bigger plays. Let's see what this was. This is CL. The war started, so I took advantage of that, and I was just doing naked puts on the CL futures, the oil futures, and they did very well. All right, traders, if you have any questions about my trades or you want any more details, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to explain them in the comments, or if it's too complicated, I'll make a video to explain them. Traders, trade small, trade safe.